To edit an item's prices, click on the item you want to edit. Scroll down to the pricing section, edit the price, and then click on Save. This will save your changes across all delivery channels and locations. If you wish to edit an item price for a specific location or for a specific delivery channel, you can do so by clicking on Advanced Pricing. If you wish to edit an item's price for a specific location, then select the location for which you want to edit the item price from the drop-down menu above and edit the price in the default pricing section. Then click Done and don't forget to save your changes. To edit an item's price per delivery service, scroll to the Price Override section. Select the Price per Channel option from the drop-down menu, and then assign the item price for each active delivery service. Don't forget to save your changes. Thanks for watching. If you have any additional questions about using menu management, check the link in the description to visit our Help Centre for more.